this is a recipe for after Ramadan. So I am making this video on the request of one of my subscribers who has said that they have leftover dates after the Ramzan festival. So I'll be giving the recipe for date milkshake today. So for this, first of all, you will be needing 250 grams of date, 1 tsp of cinnamon powder. You will be needing 3 cups of milk. You need to remove the seeds from the dates, or you can take the seedless dates. Remember to wash your dates before you de-seed them. For 250 grams of dates, you need to add 3 glasses of milk. And you need to leave this overnight, and then we'll proceed. Next step is to add so you can directly add to the mixer grinder. To this people, they would like to have sugar in their milkshake, but I prefer to avoid sugar as much as possible, so I'll be adding raisins to it. So this will give us the sweetness apart from the sweetness from the dates. I will add a little of milk. Now you see this one has turned into a thin paste. Stop grinding the next step is to add the dates that were soaked overnight in the milk. So you can reduce the time for soaking to about 1 hour, but not less than that, and you can extend it to about 1 night, so that would be around 8 to 10 hours. Add little of the milk. Grind this mixture. So you can add the remaining of the milk to this mixture, and you can grind it further. Please share this recipe with your friends, and also please like, share and comment, and also please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And if you have any suggestions, or if you want any recipes to be made on the channel, please you can comment below. Thank you. Take care.